Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I got the shipment from Retro Cross. Actually, I have ordered this through Lucknow Race Dynamics. So I got a number for from one of the video which I was watching. So I got Nitish Bhai's number. So today I got the shipment from Retro Cross. This is actually a frame slider for CBR 650. Let's open and see. Okay, and I will also share you a video when I go to the service center for installation, for you guys to have a better idea. All right, 1 2 3, here we go. So this is a frame slider which is from Retro Cross. Okay, so these are the accessory we got. These are the frame slider from both ends. So some accessories here and the nut bolts. So this is the nut bolts. So in my next video, which would be the continuation of this video, which you will see that how we will be installing to my CBR 650. Till then, thank you all for watching this video. So the next part you will be seeing in maybe by a couple of days. All right, thank you all.